Good afternoon. We have to discuss direct and indirect speech, and I have given you one part of this topic, that is assertive sentence. In assertive we have discussed a lot of rules. I think you have already written that rules. For a quick revision we can just revise that also, like reporting verb changes, so said into said to into told, and says into says to into tells, say into say to equal tell. Conjunction that we use in assertive sentence to combine reporting verb with the reported speech. All the first person pronoun are changed according to subject of reporting verb. All the second person pronoun are changed according to object of reporting verb. And tense changes, all the present will be changed into the same corresponding past tense. Past indefinite will be changed into past perfect, and past continuous will be changed into past perfect continuous tense. In interrogative sentence, the rule will be lesser in comparison to assertive sentence. So if you have just memorized the rule of assertive sentence, it will help you to understand interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, said and said to equal asked or inquired will be written. Either you can write asked or inquired. Conjunction if or whether will be used. In modern grammar you can use any one of them, but as per rule we know if is used if possibility is seen in the sentence. Whether is used when there will be two choices, like we have to go to Varanasi or Bangalore. So choice is there, in that case you have to write down whether, and it may rain today. So possibility is there, so in that condition you will write it. In both the conditions, the sentence that will be in interrogative, of course, because this is interrogative sentence, we are discussing about interrogative sentence. So in interrogative sentence, after just breaking said and said to and writing out and inquired, if or whether as a conjunction, we have to change interrogative sentence as a assertive one. So let me write down one sentence that will help you to understand it in a better way. The given sentence is interrogative. As per rule, said to will be changed into asked. It means said to is removed and it is replaced by asked. Conjunction it will be used. Now, do you know is an interrogative sentence. We will change it to assertive sentence. Do, does plus subject plus first form of the verb. It is present and definite interrogative, and affirmative of present and definite will be subject plus third form of the verb. Tense I have already sent you, and you might be knowing the importance of tense in voice, in speaking, or maybe writing sentences, or maybe understanding any topic of grammar. So if you have not kept it in your mind, please do a revision of the tense also. So assertive will be you know me. This is present indefinite tense, and present indefinite tense is changed into past indefinite tense, and the rule is subject plus second form of the verb. Here two pronouns are there. You is second person nominative case and me is first person objective case. Second person is changed according to object of the reporting verb. It is nominative, so nominative of him will be he. Second form of the verb will be there as per changes of the tense. And me is first person objective case. It will come according to subject. Subject is I and the object of I will be me. Let us see one more example. This is also interrogative sentence, but this sentence begins with a question verb. and if interrogative sentence begins with a question word, we will use same question word as a conjunction. If or whether will not be written as we wrote while the sentence began with the helping verb. It means when the interrogative sentence begins with helping verb, we will use if or whether, and if the sentence begins with question word, we will use the same question word as a conjunction, and in both the conditions we will change the interrogative sentence into assertive one. Let us have the example. She said to will be asked. Here we will copy how, because it begins with the question word. It is gone. The sentence remaining is will, subject, first form, future indefinite interrogative sentence. We have to change it into assertive, so will be here. You will do. You is nominative of second person. It will change according to object. If there is no object, we will imagine me, him, her, them, any one of it. So if you are accepting him, there will be he. If her, there will be she. If me, there will be I. And then will and shall past will be would. So accordingly, you will write down would do. Because after would, should, will, shall, can, could, may, might, are to, we will always write first form of the verb. And in future indefinite interrogative sentence, first form of the verb will be used also. So this is the answer. She asked how he would do. Okay. Let us have one more example. This interrogative sentence has already begun with the helping verb. So here we will use if. As per rule, said to will be asked Mohan if. Now we have to change this interrogative sentence into assertive one. So have will be here. Have plus subject plus third form. Present perfect interrogative sentence is there. And assertive will be subject plus have, has plus third form. That will be affirmative of present perfect. So you is nominative of second person. Second person is changed according to object. Object is Mohan and the pronoun of Mohan will be him, and this is nominative, so nominative of him will be he, and the present perfect is changed into past perfect. Then there will be had plus third form of the verb plus this will be changed into that. You have written this rule or the words that show nearness. We change it to show the distance, and for that we have already written in assertive sentence. Now I will give you few just sentences to do at your home to check yourself. If there is any doubt, please ask it undoubtedly. Let us have the example. I said to him, have you finished your work? Second will be, you said will you help me? Third will be, Mohan said to me, was I doing my work? Fourth one, teacher said, have you brought your copy? Question mark. The fifth will be mother said to me, did you do your homework? In this way, these are the 5 sentences that you will do it in your copy and will send me as WhatsApp. Thank you. Have a nice day.